It's strawberry rhubarb time. I'm going to be making strawberry rhubarb pie today. And I'm wearing my sparkle crown because I made it through the first night of the new moon in Cancer. This new moon really stresses self-care and care for others and showing up for your community in ways that are supportive. And that can mean so many different things. It can mean direct service. It can mean indirect service. It could mean that you do intentions and prayers. It can mean that you send money. There's all kinds of ways to support your immediate community that you live in, and also the community that surrounds you and the greater community that surrounds us all. So happy day to you. And I am going to do a 3-card reading from one card from 3 different decks. So 1 card from 3 different decks, and for the collective. So let's get into it.